and then you see motivational speakers. If you sleep, 7 hours, like, you're not gonna be successful. You should be sleeping you only need 3-4 hours.
Correct.
5 hours. So ako, trabaho. And then you'll get to a point na yung magpaparamdam na yung katawan mo eh. Like mentally, kaya ko pa, pero yung katawan mo, wait lang, Chong, kailangan ko ng pahinga. And then, ito, sabi sa akin ng parents ko and other mentors na, imagine you have all the money in the world, pero bedridden ka naman. Diba?
Right. So what happened na bakit may turning point ka when it comes to health? Like, did you have any sickness or nag-decrease lang talaga yung performance mo?
Kasi laging puyat eh. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, nocturnal ako. Kasi nung college, I would, pasok ka ng 8 a.m. Uwi ako gabi na kasi yung class ko hanggang 9 p.m. eh. Nakauwi ako mga 11 and then work on my thesis. Tapos, tulog ako mga 3-4 a.m. 2 hours, 3 hours. Pagising ko, Cobra Energy or Sting. Tapos,
Sugar rush.
diba? Punta sa kay LRT, Taft, pasok ulit. And at that point, parang you're romanticizing you being puyat.
Right.
Chong puyat ako eh, working on my thesis. Working on my, on my animation, photography. You feel that pag puyat ako, that means I'm productive.
Correct.
And then I learned it the hard way na. Nung laging ganun, lagi akong puyat 2-3 hours, bumaba yung performance. There's no amount of energy drink, coffee will sustain.